Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So you guys requested this video and I figured it was just a matter of time until I had to make it. So in today's video, I'm going to show you where I get all of these wonderful toys. So you guys have been asking for this video for quite a while, and I'm going to go through some of these Patreons and break down some of the models that I've done for them. But hey, before we go any further, make sure to hit that like button and also consider subscribing to the channel. Alright, and now on to the video. Alright, so here is 3D Wicked's Patreon. Now they do have two other patrons as far as Star Wars, and their DC patron, which is 3D Berserk. So for $10 a month, you're basically getting 4 detailed sculptures and 4 detailed busts. Plus they're also throwing in a movie sculpt each month now at no extra cost. So that definitely gives you tons of stuff to print, and yeah, go check them out. And there's also links also in the description below also for their 3D Berserk and their Star Wars Patreon. And here's some of the models that I've actually done from Wicked and its other two Patreons. Here's my latest with Wicked. This is Crossbones from the Captain America Civil War movie. It's printed in quarter scale. Did not make a full video of this one right here, but this is the full entire paint up. And right next to it we have Kraven the Hunter. I'm a huge Kraven fan. This one is a work in progress. This was also printed in quarter scale, and these are some amazing models. Here is Red Skull that I'm also working on to go along with Crossbones. And this is Magneto that I'm also working on from Wicked. As I said earlier, I have several projects going on at one time here. Alright, and here is Alvarado Stewardo's Patreon. He does have just basically one tier, which is $5 a month. And as you can see here, he does have some up-and-coming models like this Cable right here. I cannot wait to get this one to print. It's going to be a beautiful model. I have done his Wolverine and his Hulk model. I got videos for those, so go check those out as well. And he has some pretty good up-to-date information regarding his Patreon on here, and he's also on Instagram as well. Go over and check out Alvarado Stewardo. And of course, this is the Hulk from Alvarado Stewardo. And of course his Wolverine. Alright, so here is Sanix 3D. Now Sanix has been around for quite a while, and they do have a Patreon as well. You can get the link right here on the website, sanix3d.com. And they do have a huge catalog of different files that you can get from them, some very highly detailed models. And I recommend these guys. Go over and check them out. Here's the Indiana Jones that I actually did a video for. And I forgot that I actually did this Daredevil model here quite a couple of years back or so. And again, they make some really quality stuff here. Huge catalog, very highly detailed, and very well priced. I'm sure there's something over here that you can find that you would love to print. Alright, so I must confess, this is the only Sanix model that I've actually done. And I did do a video for this one, the Indiana Jones. This is just a beautiful detailed model. And Sanix has a ton of stuff over there, a huge catalog of different things that you can get from them, and a reasonable cost on all of their STLs. Okay, and this is a new one here for me. This is Vengeance Studio. And I have done a couple of their models. I have done the Daredevil here, and the quality is awesome. Again, here's the membership levels as well. Go over and check these guys out. As you can see up here, this is a fine example of some of the models that they offer. They offer DC, they offer Marvel, and they offer different movie themes as well. But this is a good, this is a nice Patreon to come to. It's a nice, refreshing one. And if you're looking for some very good files, go check them out. Everything fits together perfectly well, and everything is easy to print. And yeah, check them out. And here's the couple from Vengeance that I've worked on. All right, so this is Doses 3D, and as you can see, he has multiple tiers, but the most common one, the most popular one, is a $7 a month one right here. And he does have them all the way up to $31 a month. And so go over and check him out. I have done the video for this Batman here, the Dark Father, and this is where I got the Venom model from as well. But does some incredible work, different takes on different characters, and for the money, again, it's awesome. He does some really good work. And here's a couple of the models that I've got from Doses 3D. And if you're looking for some really cool stuff, some fun stuff to print, go over to Hex 3D. Their Patreon here, $10 a month. They've got quite a following, over 8,000 patrons. And these guys have been around for quite some time as well. And they got some neat stuff over there to print out, FDM printer, resin printer. They have just a huge catalog as well. Go over and check them out, Hex 3D. So if you're into the mystical fantasy type of stuff, go over to Black Forge Games. These guys do some incredible work. I have done their Tenjin model, and they also have the Corrupted Tenjin out now, and I cannot wait to print and paint this one here. I have also done the Kojiro Panther, the Owl, and the Fox as well. Very great team over there. They do some incredible work. They have some really nice figures, and you can print them out in any scale that you want to, and you're not going to miss that detail. So definitely go over there and check them out. I'll have a link in the description for these guys as well. Well, there you go, everyone. This is just a few of the patrons that I really like and I am a part of, and I highly recommend going and checking these guys out. So if you guys have any suggestions, any patrons that you've had any experience with and you'd like to share with the group, make sure to put a comment below and let everybody know about it, possibly a link as well. Hey, and while you're at it, also check out my Patreon below where you get absolutely nothing except for a private Discord. But we do have some pretty cool modelers over there where you can talk all things printing and painting. And as usual, everyone, stay safe out there. Get out and create something. Print, prep, paint, repeat. And until the next video, we'll see you. Man, I had no idea how big this Magneto thing was going to be. Jeez.